thank you for watching. Today we're opening up the September Rose War Panty Power, or RWPP box. This is a monthly period subscription, but it's a little unique. So you get like essential organic period supplies, love that they're organic, and then you also get some beauty and lifestyle items, some snacks, and then every month you get 2 pairs of panties, so I think that makes it really stand out. It costs $25.20, and then there is a shipping charge. I can't remember how much that is. I think it depends on where you live, but I will leave that down below. There is a code to save, I believe, around $5. Again, all the information will be in the description box, so I can't wait to see what's inside. I always love opening this box. Before we get to the unboxing though, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them pretty much every single day here on our channel, so if you love subscription boxes too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 10,000 subscribers, so it's a big thank you. I have a giveaway going on. If you guys have not yet entered, I will link that at the end of this one so you can check it out next, but let's get this box open. It seems like stuff this month. Oh my god, the tissue paper is always so cute, but I think I especially love it this month. I think they like floral print and the blue, oh, so cute. But anyways, the card on top says, welcome to September box full of joy. And then the inside, it checks off what's inside. So when you subscribe, I think you like let them know your preferences or take like a little quiz. So what's inside this month's box? 100% organic period products, 15 total valued at $7, 2 undies that range from $8 to $25, along with 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts from below. This pretty tissue paper open. And wow, it really is jam-packed, and oh my god, I'm hungry. Right on top there's some snacks, and let's start with those. Oh my god, I love Nutter Butters, and here are some Nutter Butter bites. We got some classic snacks here. Rice Krispie made with mini M&Ms. Nice. There's a little candy. It says milk candy on there. I've never tried something like this before. And I think that's all the snacks. Oh wait, there's another little milk candy as well. So here are what the period products look like. So I get a mix of regular and super organic tampons, and then there's a variety of absorbencies of pads as well in the box. And then what I love is they always include these wipes as well. So this is like considered part of the period essentials. So this is Eurovagenius Down There wipes, and we have 4 of them here. I think this company name is great, and I love these. They're very convenient, especially around that time of the month. But now let's look at our beauty items, or lifestyle items, and then we will talk about the panties. So first item is wrapped up. This might be like skincare or something. I can't tell. Ooh, I can smell it. It smells like it might be rose. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This brand always has like pretty packaging. This is by Modern Skin Alchemy. This is the Rose Huile de Corp. Sorry. Made with almond rose and jasmine oils, small batch. It's delightfully romantic and refreshingly floral and woodsy scent. Can be used on the hair, body, and nails. Oh, to use, apply daily on your skin. So this is like a multi-purpose oil. And look, there's actually some flower petals in there. Yeah, this is just so pretty overall. And you got a lot of product in here. How much does it say? You got 4 fluid ounces, wow. So this is $40. I had a feeling it would be expensive just because you get so much in here, and it's made with all these organic ingredients. Nice. Now we have another big thing here. This is by Rachel Made Luscious Lavender Eucalyptus. Ooh, I love that combo. Decadent Dead Sea Salt Soak. 100% natural ingredients, made in Georgia. Turn your tub into a regal spa experience. So I get a lot of this here. That sounds so nice, a bath. I've been really like sore, my shoulders especially. I think I just hold so much tension there, so I could totally use this. This is $15. And then we have an eyeliner here by Appeal. This is a gel liner in Deep Taupe, and this is $21. Nice. I like eyeliners like this better because I can use these in my waterline. I don't really do wing, well, I don't do wing liner or anything like that, so I don't really use felt tip or anything like that, so I'm glad this was in there. So now let's open up our panties for the month. They're always so cute. I think they fit true to size, and of course when you sign up you let them know what your size is. So got a white and a black pair. Oh, this white one has little dots of blue. This looks super comfy. So this is the first pair. It's so light, but there's a little polka dot pattern with this light blue. So, and then there's a little bow in the front. This is by Kathy Ireland Intimates. This is good everyday underwear. And then the next one's a sexy pair. This is by Umita, and this is a lacy black undies, and look, the side detail is really cool. I like these. These are super cute and sexy pair. So we got our cute and sexy. So I love that, you guys. I think this was another great month as always. I love that they provide organic tampon ingredients. It's all I use unless I'm in a pinch. And I think they do a great job curating it. I think it's great for that time of month, but really any time of the month. You get some snacks, some pampering stuff, some new underwear. Yeah. Good box overall. I always love opening this. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. Thank you to our channel members. I love you so much and appreciate your support. And if you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there is a link down below where you can learn about the perks. One of the perks for the top tier is that we do bi-weekly live streams. I always have a little giveaway in them, so it's super fun. We've had 2 so far. Can't wait for the next one. That should be coming up soon. I know times are hard, so no pressure on becoming a member. It's only for those who want to do so and support our channel even further, but just by being here and watching is so helpful, and I appreciate you so much. I love you guys. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.